Welcome to another video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button for more upcoming strategy videos. In today's video, we will talk about EMA Crossover Trading. The 3 moving average crossover strategy is an approach to trading that uses 3 exponential moving averages of various lengths. All the moving averages are lagging indicators, however, when used correctly, can help frame the market for a trader. You can see how Mark can give you information about market states by looking at the Alligator trading strategy that I posted a while ago. Using moving averages, instead of buying and selling at any location on the chart, can have traders zoning in on a particular chart location. From there, traders can use various simple price action patterns to decide on a trading opportunity. Why 3 moving averages for a strategy? There is no magic in moving averages, but they can be used to form the basis of a simple trading strategy that works. The benefits of using a triple moving average strategy: 1. Shows us the longer term trend direction and if the shorter term trend is in our favor. 2. We can see a shorter term trend to determine if we will be taking a with trend or counter trend trade. Indicator characteristics: currency pairs, best for use GBP, ERGP, GBP, GBP and are used. Time frame, 1 hour, 4 hours. Best for swing and long trading. The triple moving averages, what do they represent? As I mentioned, the 3 exponential moving average will have different lengths, and they will be 9-period exponential moving average, 21-period exponential moving average, 55-period exponential moving average. Buying rules. Step 1. When the 55 exponential moving averages are below both the 9 exponential moving average and 21 exponential moving average, we will consider the trend to be up, and we go for the buy. Step 2. Place your stop loss a few pips below the nearest swing low point. Step 3. Use previous swing high points as your running, trading take profit target level or exit from a trade. When the fast exponential moving average touches the medium exponential moving average, or exits, or when the fast exponential moving average crosses over the medium exponential moving average. Selling rules. Step 1. When the indicator is above both of the shorter term moving averages, we will consider the longer term trend to be down. The 21 should be above the 9 and below the 55 for a downtrend. If it crosses below the 21 while already below the 55, that is a downtrend and looking for a sell trade. Step 2. Place your stop loss a few pips above the nearest swing high point. Step 3. Use previous swing low points as your running trading take profit target level or exit from a trade. When the last exponential moving average touches the medium exponential moving average, or exits, or when the last exponential moving average crosses over the medium exponential moving average. The key points are: 1. Market is trending. 2. Market has upside or downside momentum. 3. Price pulls back in between the 921 moving averages. As with all trading strategies, backtest your rules and design a trading plan that includes everything from markets to risk tolerance. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more update. If you have any questions, feel free to tell us in the comment section below.